Dang, Dewayne, you shot that.
Ain't it funny how joy can turn into so much pain? After the storm, the sun will shine again. I'm outside standing all alone in the rain, praying to God that He can ease my pain. It's funny how joy can turn into so much pain. After the storm, the sun will shine again. I'm outside standing all alone in the rain, praying to God that He can ease my pain. Ain't it funny how joy can turn into so much pain? And life can be a lesson, but it's still a dirty game. A bitch will say they love you and they hate you just the same. Smile right before your face, this shit right on your name. It's a never-ending story, but the pages read the same. Living life until your death, praying God will ease the pain. Every life we live is different, we all going through some things. Definition of a man is how we handle storm and rain. Mama stood up in the pain when daddy didn't give a fuck, but I still love the nigga when I shouldn't have gave a fuck. Even though I need a struggle, mama still made a man of me. Couldn't give me what I wanted, but she did her best for me. Till it wasn't enough and I started chasing the bag. Motherfuck the whole world, it was really fuck my dad. Cause he didn't teach me shit, but I plan to show his ass. I'm the fruit from the tree, but it's out my mama had. Ain't it funny how joy can turn into so much pain? After the storm, the sun will shine again. I'm outside standing all alone in the rain, praying to God that He can ease my pain. It's funny how joy can turn into so much pain. After the storm, the sun will shine again. I'm outside standing all alone in the rain, praying to God that He can ease my pain. No Levi's sneakers or no Nike Airs. Life, fitness, lonely world, feeling like nobody cares. Watch these niggas with their gold chain and they diamond ring. Mama working hard, but we ain't have a motherfucking thing. 13 introduction to the motherfucking dope game. Pocket full of stones, pussy nigga, I'm the dope man. Make $100, keep 30 and then re-up again. Think it ain't shit till it's 1,000 by the weekend. Sunday morning service, I was there every weekend. What a friend in Jesus taught me not to ever trust a man. Cain slew Abel, blood don't mean a fucking thing. Ain't nothing you can say can make me ever fucking trust a man. Crossed by a nigga that claiming his ass all in. Smile in your face, then kill you in the very end. Head on a swivel, watching for all these fake friends. Game of life is dirty, every nigga ain't built the same. Ain't it funny how joy can turn into so much pain? After the storm, the sun will shine again. I'm outside standing all alone in the rain, praying to God that He can ease my pain. It's funny how joy can turn into so much pain. After the storm, the sun will shine again. I'm outside standing all alone in the rain, praying to God that He can ease my pain. See, at times like this, player, then when you gotta keep your head on the swivel, watching for all them fake friends. See, it ain't the motherfucker that gon' be right behind your back, but it be the motherfucker that's right in your goddamn face that'll do you in every motherfucking time. Cain slew Abel. Good Lord done told you how the game go. Pay attention.